Savannah, you want to do tricks? You want to do tricks for everyone? Come on. There's her treat bag. Got from the dollar store. She loves them. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Now lay down. Good girl. Now, watch this trick. Sorry, it's hard to hold the camera and open the treats at the same time. Wait. Wait. No. Sorry. Okay, so here's the treat. Now. No, wait for it. Wait for it. Stay. Go get it. Good girl. And that is Savannah's trick. If you want more, please comment, rate, and subscribe, and request what you want to see on the show. So, don't forget to tell your friends about it, and we'll see you next time. Keep tuning in. Thanks. Bye. Get out of there, stinker.